welcome. Getting near the end of the Ducati Monster now, Ghost. It is possibly 2-3 episodes away from the final reveal, the final build, the final episode of the build before we take it to the Bike Shed show. Coming soon. I am going to speed up these videos. Obviously I have been manically busy over the last few weeks trying to get everything done for the bike, because it is a mammoth task. Everything that's left on the bike, a mammoth task. So today's video is going to be a hybrid of electrics, bit of gloss coating, and also putting on the added extras, such as the SuperSprox rear sprocket, custom made rear sprocket. Pretty much everything on this bike is custom made, but that is what we're going to do today. So enjoy. Right, let's see what we've done so far on here. So this, as you may have seen in a previous video, maybe not, maybe so. This is a 3D printed, let me put a bolt there. This is a 3D printed bracket. This is the 3D printed bracket which is going to hold the brake disc, with a hub. Now, it's not going to remain 3D printed, it's going to be aluminium CNC'd. I've just put this here just at the moment, just to see if it fits and all that. What I have got in here now, if you can see in there, I've put a spacer, so that is a off-the-shelf 16mm inner diameter spacer, but then I've actually bought it out to 17mm myself, cheaper than getting it custom made. I've also shortened that there. This is the brake caliper holder in the way. Brake caliper does go down here, and you can see how that now actually fits very nice. You know what, if anything, I could probably move it a little bit more. In fact, I will. Actually, thinking about it, that does look fairly central. You can see how that actually runs with the seam, and I think the seam is in the middle. And what I've got on here is I've got the aluminium spacer, or the aluminium, spacer I suppose it is. I've got further spacers for these bolts here, so you can see that there's a gap between the sprocket and there. And these, again, are my off-the-shelf 10mm inner diameter spacers. New bolts, just go in that. So I'll just simply thread these in, see how the spacers work and see if they're fine. If not, I'll have to order some new spacers. Let's screw these in and see where it aligns, and the wheel is aligning in the center of that now. So that's the most important other thing I need to figure out, is how or where the wheel aligns. It needs to be equal, really. What I've got here is a rebuilt front caliper. New pads, new seals, all stripped apart, new bolts, new everything, new banjo bolt, new bleed nipple, new hose. Let's slap this on, get it into position.